You can order the radiator support cover used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Turn off your vehicle's ignition. Set the parking brake. Pull the hood release handle and open the hood. You can now see the radiator support cover. Using a fork, remove the 10 holding rivets. Then remove the cover. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. You can order the radiator support cover used in the video on CarParts.com through the link in the description. Take the new radiator support cover, then position it correctly. Then put the rivets back in place. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.